What's up, Gato? What are you doing in your life? Huh? That's the Airbnb. I'm staying at. It's called Villaga Residences. And down over there is the beach. I'm gonna go there later. Hey, what's up? So let me see. Keep this here like that. Today we're going to check out the laundromat, and then we're gonna go check out the sea. And then we're gonna go check out some food. So let's go see what Dominican Republic has to offer. Here we go. All right, found the laundry service. Here. Let's go. Lavanderia Tin, T-I-N. So from Monday to Saturday, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Close on Sunday. So that's it. Hey, let's go back. Check out the sea. There might be no sunglasses, man. Shoot. Oh. What the hell is this shit? This doesn't look safe at all. I'm gonna fucking die here. If I can get through this shit. Got no zoom here with this damn camera. Oh. Got this structure over here. I'll walk there. You can see it.
Very sad, right?
Huh?
It's so sad, all the plastic and garbage. It's terrible.
Yeah, but what can you do? Oh, there you see it. That's what he was talking about. Big wad of trash. And all the trash right there. Interesting. You know, I heard about this water cleaning project that's being sponsored by one of these big YouTubers. So pretty much it's like a machine that they put into the ocean and automatically does a recycling thing. Like it collects all the trash, and then you know, it has like a filter that goes through. So even the small stuff gets caught in there, and then they take their trash out and dispose it somewhere to recycle. So yeah, I can see what he's talking about now. Do a photo shoot here. Nothing over there. There's a nice beach though. I remember there's a restaurant or something. I don't know what this is. It's trash in there too. Oh yeah, whatever. Maybe see if I can get like a nice expanded view. Oh. Interesting structure. I guess this was one of the outposts during the colonial era. It reminds me of the ones down in Mexico by Campeche. And then over there you get the ocean view. See a bunch of ships and stuff. Yeah, it's interesting. I want to go check out the restaurant that I think is over there and get like a nice soda. So let's go. So the whole reason why I'm here right now in Dominican Republic is because so I already finished that first half of Mexican temporary residency application. I got my visa to enter Mexico in order to transfer that visa to a resident ID card. Only thing is, like, I had to make an appointment at the Mexican immigration office, and that appointment is not until a month and a half away, and the visa they gave me is only good for 30 days, so you can see the discrepancy there. So what's going to end up happening is that I'm going to have to stay here for a month and a half until that time comes, then head back out and finish the residency application on the Mexican immigration side. But you know, I can't think of a better or worse place to be for about 45 days anyway. So I want to show you guys what DR is like. Oh, look at that. This one looks more. It's the M7 right here. I might check this out. I got a kitchen, everything. Look at that shit. Looks nice. M7, I don't know. The view sucks. I don't want to drink anything. Oh. Hola. ¿Tiene un menú? Déjame ver. Tiene un menú con bebidas.
¿Para bebida?
Sí.
Ya. Ahí ve, con bebida y comida. Escanea.
Oh my God. Dios mío. Qué complicado.
Pone la cámara del celular y da la aplicación.
¿Tiene cervezas?
Sí. Presidente, modelo, canita, perón.
So right now I'm in this M7 restaurant. So by the sea right here. We're stopping here for a drink, enjoy the ocean breeze, and then try to plan out what's the next place I want to go into. So let's get a drink and then we'll continue the tour. And we're back. So that seaside place, they didn't have prices for what I wanted to see, so get the heck out of there. Gonna go somewhere cheaper up over here on the Bellini Street. Also, I want to find a ATM. They say inside the supermarket, Supermercado Nacional, they have this the most safest ATM. So I'm gonna go over there too. If we can get around all this copyright music, man. What else? Calle Bellini. Boricua. Yeah, there's a lot of beer. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Listen here. Nothing. I'll show you that. That's my shit. The next street is Calle Bellini. Let's see. So a very chic bar the other day. We're there. So let's see what the hell we have. No. Oh, this other street. Tomorrow, next block up. All right. Let's see. Let me show you what it looks like. Here we go. Whatever. This is a damn place I was looking for. Back to you. But yeah. Whatever. Hola. Bueno.
¿Cómo puedo ayudar?
¿Tiene cerveza?
¿Cuál le gustaría, chico?
¿No tiene presidente? So-
Modelo, Quisqueya, Bohemia, Corona y Frost.
¿Qué es que es la dominicana?
La Quisqueya tenemos, la Bohemia y la Frost.
Look at this, fancy. It's an outdoor patio. Oh. Hola, buenas. Una tienda aquí. Y una patio de aire libre. Y los baños aquí. Nada especial, pero es muy hermoso. Alright, just finished at that place, Cantina. It was pretty nice and chill. Definitely gonna go back there again. So now what we're doing is we are walking to, I want to check out the gym. It's closed today because they close early on the weekends. And they close on Sundays. Today's Saturday, but they close early today. I want to check that out first, and then I'm gonna go to the Supermercado Nacional, check out the ATM there, and then I'm gonna head to this restaurant called Halal. They got sancocho and supposedly they have mofongo. So we'll see what we can get there, but I'm hungry, I want to eat, so we'll go there. So let's see what the walk is like. Someone's got an old Porsche, that's a Chrysler 300 some shit. Someone's got a Corvette, it's like a 2001-ish, and then MR2. That's interesting, MR2. You know, I always wanted to have an MR2 because it's a rear-wheel drive platform with an engine in the back. That would be like a fun little car just to like drift and do like turns all day long. Just look for U-turns and left and right turns all day long. Alright, hey, they got Payless shoe store. What the heck? I haven't seen that in years, man. This is the main square. Tourist zone. Oh, the gym is here. So it's right here. This location. Come here on Monday, I guess. Let's get a help up. Got the Dominican Burger King here. In Spanish. Everyone's got those damn bikes, man. I think they're rentals. Gotta be rentals. Maybe I need to go far. There's a Dominican KFC. Martes Locos, 8 pieces of chicken. Yesterday I saw an ice cream shop here. I mean, not that I'm gonna go now, but it was interesting to see. And the ice creams look pretty good too. I want to check that place out. It's probably all the way back in the opposite direction. Here they got tchotchkes and souvenirs. I'll drop by one day, get like a DR refrigerator magnet because I like to collect those. Put them on my fridge. All right, here's the Supermercado Nacional. Shit. Up around. I got my mofongo, got my sancocho right here. Look at that, just like mom makes. And mofongo comes with rice and aguacate. Look at that. Oh yeah, mofongo, pero sin queso. Got the sancocho here. Oh yeah, it looks delicious. So as you may or may not know, I have a good amount of experience in mentoring people. And I also do coaching. And through all that, the biggest question people ask is, how do I make money?
Do you have a continual money?
Well, the answer is work. Which is why I do training for people who want to become web developers. Because when you're a web developer, it opens up the door to get more jobs and have the possibility of going remote. So I'm living the life that I want, and so are my inner circle of friends. Why aren't you? Subscribe for more, and until next time, peace.